Hello, welcome to part 7 of the overhand knot, and today we're looking at the loop again. In the previous video we looked at a simple overhand loop like that, and you will have seen from the earlier videos that you can of course tie a double overhand knot. We looked at those I think in part 1. So what we're going to do today is we're going to tie a overhand loop, but it's going to be a double overhand loop. Remember to think of that as one line and to think of it as a tape to keep ourselves thinking neatly. So there's our first overhand loop, and then through a second time, stopping it from twisting because that will cause you problems. Thinking of it as if it was a tape, keeping it lying flat. I will want to twist a bit, and then just dress that up so that it's all sitting neatly. And there you have your double overhand loop.